Hey guys, so today we are going to be cleaning out my closet. I have a lot of clothes and a lot of them I just don't wear, and then I look in my closet and I'm like, I have nothing to wear. So today it is raining outside. I look like a rat, but you know what, whatever, we're still gonna do this because I really for a long time just have not liked my closet. There are a lot of pieces in there that I like, yes, and a lot that I've bought that I like, but I just look and I'm like, that's not really my style anymore. This I don't want to wear to work. I don't really like this. I don't know how to style this. So today we are gonna start with step one of just redoing my entire closet. So I want to get rid of a lot. Also, my closet is small, so I need to get rid of stuff to make some room, but I also want to get new clothes. So like I said, this is like step one in redoing my closet, and we're just focusing on my closet. I've already like cleared out my pants, which is the other half of my closet, so we're not going to touch that, and the stuff in my dresser drawers, which is over here, we're not going to touch that either today because that's a whole different beast. Today we're just doing my closet. So I'm going to lay everything out on my bed and we're gonna go through it, and I think I'm gonna go with the like Marie Kondo method kind of thing if it sparks joy, but also I'm just gonna think about like if I've actually worn this a lot or do I see myself wearing it. So let's get started. This is crazy. Okay, I just fixed the lighting because my room is hella dark, but oh my god, all my clothes are on my bed, and these are just the clothes from my tiny ass closet. This is ridiculous. Look how crazy that is. I mean, it may not be a lot to some people, but I have a lot of clothes, and like half of these things I don't wear. Okay, let's do this. We have these two lace shirts. They're both exactly the same. One is like a cream, one is black. These are Brooks Brothers, and I don't really wear these, but I refuse to get rid of these because my grandpa actually made these. He used to work at like a factory that made clothes, and he's a tailor. So these he made, I think these are like the sample size, and these were like ones he like got to like keep, and then my mom actually wore them and then I took them, and I've worn them a few times. I think my only problem is like I really want to lose some more weight, and so I think it's gonna be one of those classics. Once I lose more weight, I'll like these better on me. So I think that's what's gonna happen, because I like them. They're like comfortable and everything, and they're really cute and like professional, but I just wanted like a little bit more weight so they fit like a little better. But I wouldn't get rid of these even if I like gained 100 pounds because my grandpa made these. So these are gonna stay. Okay, next we have two shirts that I'm a little iffy on. This one is from Target, and I like it. It's cute, but it doesn't like speak to me. I don't know. I'm not like in love with it. I wore it like it was my last resort shirt. Like if I was like, damn, I have nothing to wear to work, and then I picked this up. So I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna put it in the like, I think this is gonna be the first one that I'm gonna put in the like pile. And then the next one I'm a little iffy on is this shirt. Again, this one's from Target. A funny story with this, I tossed this one. I actually put this in like the pile to get rid of, and then we had a garage sale with my aunt and uncle, and I remember like seeing this in the pile and I'm like, why did I get rid of that? I really like it. But then looking at it again, I don't know. I think I'm actually gonna get rid of this one for good because I don't know. It doesn't like spark joy to me, and yeah. So sorry shirt, second time's the charm, I guess. And then we have this shirt. This one's like mustard and it says smile for a while. And again, I got this at Marshall's or TJ Maxx. It's just, I love graphic tees, and I thought this one was so cute with like the stitching and the fonts, but it looks funny on. It's like a weird boxy shape, and I think I'm gonna toss this. I've been thinking about getting rid of this one for a while. And this one's from American Eagle, and I think I'm gonna get rid of this. I like it, but I just, every time I put it on, I don't like the way I look in it. And I feel like if I don't feel good wearing it, what's the point of having it? And next we have another tank top, and this one, again, I think it's from H&M. Yeah, it's from H&M. I got this a few years ago. This was like one of the first things that I got. I like it felt out of my comfort zone wearing this, but I got a lot of use out of this. I really liked it. I still really like it. I haven't touched it in like about a year or two, maybe like a year and a half. I think it might be time to let this one go just because I haven't worn it in so long. Ooh, so next, I totally forgot that I have this. This one's from H&M. I mean, I totally forgot that I had this. I used to wear this often. I think I'm gonna keep this because I forgot that I had it. And I think this is gonna be like a let's try one more time kind of shirt. So yeah, this is going back in my closet, and we're gonna see if we can wear this, or should I just get rid of it? I think because I forgot that I had it, we're just gonna get rid of it because clearly I haven't worn it in a long time. And for anyone wondering, I'm not actually gonna throw out these clothes. I'm gonna put them in the pile of other clothes that my family kind of collects that we get rid of, and we either donate them or sell them at a garage sale that we have, or I like give them to my friends or my little cousin. I'll let them pick through, but they don't go in the garbage. I say toss, but I don't actually mean toss in the garbage. Next we have this other tank top. This is from Old Navy. So this is also velvet. This is blue velvet, and I mean, honestly, I paid $7 for this. I'm gonna get rid of this. It still has a tag on it. I have not worn this once. I don't know how to style it. Like, I like this style for the winter. Like, I think it's so cute, but I mean, I don't wear this in the summer because it's velvet and it's very wintry, but then I don't want to wear it in the winter and freeze my ass off. This shirt, and this one, yes, it still has a tag on it. I've not worn it yet, but this is from H&M, and I got this I was thinking of wearing to Jingle Ball. We're talking to Melissa. Melissa, I know you're watching this, so yeah, we were talking, and then she suggested, and I thought it was a good idea, to wear this to the Harry Styles concert that we're going to. We're going to see him at Madison Square Garden this July. We have a shirt that I'm not getting rid of, and this is a Taylor shirt. Okay, next we have this sweatshirt, and I am finally gonna get rid of this. I've been holding on to this for so long, and I just recently I really haven't been wearing it. It's from H&M, and it has like these holes on it, but they make this design. I don't wear it. It's so comfortable and it's really cute, but I haven't been gravitating towards it like I used to. So we are going to get rid of it. And next we have, this is also from H&M, and this, fun fact, I bought this in Germany because I didn't bring enough sweaters and it was freezing and I thought I was gonna need it. I did wear it. I'm gonna keep it, but I might get rid of it. Actually, I'm just gonna toss it. Wow, look at me making decisions on camera. I'm gonna toss it because I don't wear it, and I have other souvenirs from that trip. So yeah, also, if you haven't watched my Europe vlogs, I'll leave a link to the first one down below. I have a bunch. You should go watch those. I am gonna get rid of this one. Again, it's from New York & Company. I don't wear it as much as I used to. I don't know. I don't like feel that great when I wear it anymore. I don't feel like it's that cute. So next we have this top, and I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. This is from Marshalls or TJ Maxx. These sleeves, just like at work, I don't like, I just like they get in the way of what I do, and yeah, I don't love this shirt anymore, so we are gonna get rid of this. I am getting rid of, this is from, oh, New York & Company. So it has like these ties in the back that you could tie up in a bow. I don't wear this anymore. I don't wear it as much as I used to. I don't love it. So, and the bow always gets undone, and so I am gonna get rid of this. And fun fact, I almost wore this to the Reputation celebration. So I almost wore this to meet Taylor, but I didn't. And I really wish I did because I wore like this sweatshirt and it was just too hot. Yeah, so let's, you know, get rid of this and the memories that would have been, even though I got rid of the shirt that I met Taylor in. Okay, next, I think I'm gonna get rid of this. I bought this on Shein. It was $5. I wore this to Jingle Ball. Jingle Ball vlog will be linked down below. You should go watch it. My friend Melissa, again, shout out to Melissa. We bought these because Jingle Ball was on December 13th, which is Taylor Swift's birthday. But it was also the release of Fine Line, which is Harry Styles' new album. So we bought this because they are the colors of Fine Line and the colors of Lover. So, I mean, Hailer. Let's be honest, I'm never gonna wear this again. I mean, I don't know where I would wear this again. And yeah, so we're just gonna find a new home for this. Next, we have another Taylor shirt. Okay, so as I'm thinking about this, I decided to bring this one back out because I'm actually, in fact, going to get rid of it. I don't like it. I need room in my closet. I want new clothes. This one is going bye-bye. Okay, another shirt that I will be getting rid of. Actually, another t-shirt. Oh my god, I have so many hangers. I'm gonna get rid of. They're both plaid. I don't really wear plaid shirts anymore. I like them, but like I never wear them, especially this one. And again, because you know, why not? Here we have another Taylor sweater. This is the OG Era's sweatshirt. I got this on the online store around the end of the Reputation era. They sold out super quick, but I managed to get one and I wear it all the time. I'm keeping this. So yeah, this isn't going anywhere. I absolutely love this. Okay, another fandom sweatshirt. This one I got at H&M and it's from their Shawn Mendes collection. It says I need somebody now, and on the back it says Shawn Mendes the tour, which I did go to. A vlog will be linked down below because why not? Okay, next we have this sweater, and this one I should probably get rid of because it is old and a little pilly, but you know what, we're not, because I wear this to death. I'm obsessed with this sweater. I've mentioned it before in other like favorites videos, but I got it from H&M like a few years ago and I constantly am wearing this. I love wearing this. This one, I will probably never get rid of this. So this sweater, it's really comfortable, and I mean, I don't wear it because it's not like cozy, because it's open in the chest and I always feel like I just want to like be cozy, but I'm gonna force myself to wear this because I like it. So I'm gonna put this one back in the closet. Next we have this sweater, and this is from H&M. I'm gonna get rid of it. I don't wear it that often, and I mean, it's really comfortable. I don't know, there's just something about it. I don't really wear it. It's not really my style, so we are gonna say goodbye to this one. Next I have this sweatshirt, and this is a Pointless blog sweatshirt. I'm a huge fan of Alfie. I really love his videos. I just really love him as a person, and so this came out a few years ago and I bought it. It's super comfortable and it has the little PB here, but I really like it. I don't wear it as much anymore, but I don't want to get rid of it because I do like it. Like, I probably should wear it more. I should force myself to wear most of my clothes more, but I'm not gonna get rid of it. I really like this, and yeah, I'm just a fan of Alfie, so I don't want to get rid of it. So next, I have this shirt. It says London on it. I actually got it in London at Primark. I don't know. I've been debating on getting rid of this. I had another one that I also got at Primark in London with this that I ended up getting rid of. I don't wear it that much. I want to wear it, but I just don't. And I think I'm holding on to it mainly because I got this in London, one of my favorite cities, at Primark, like a store that I really like, and I think I'm holding on to it for sentimental value, but I think I am gonna get rid of it. It doesn't look good on me. It's very boxy. It makes me look like bigger than I really am. And I have another London sweatshirt that I'm actually gonna show you soon that I am keeping, so I think this one's gonna go. So next we have the other London sweatshirt that I just mentioned. This one I really like. This is a legit sweatshirt that looks good on me, that I like. It looks like the Converse logo, but it says London, England, Great Britain. And this one I wear, this one I really like, so I'm gonna keep this one, and this is gonna be my only London sweatshirt for right now until I go back. And next, we're gonna end on two Taylor sweatshirts. I'm not getting rid of these. So this is everything that I'm getting rid of. These 4 piles, as you can see, and like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to either donate these or sell them at like a garage sale or to Plato's Closet, or I will give some to my friends. My little cousin, I always let her go through my clothes. They will be offered up to people or either sold or donated. So again, I don't throw any of my clothes away. They're always getting like donated or given to other people. And yeah, so I am really happy with the amount of clothes that I am donating. And like I said, this will probably be another video. I have so many shirts that I sleep in that I should get rid of, but they're sentimental, so I don't. This is a whole different beast. We were just focusing on my closet today. So anyway, I'm gonna show you what my closet looks like now. I'm really dumb and I didn't do it before, but it was stuffed and you couldn't move anything. So just imagine all of these clothes in there. So let's go look at my closet. So this is my closet now, and it's just so much easier to like move stuff and look for things. There's a lot more room. I have a really small closet. Like for the size of my room, my closet's really small. This is just like amazing, the fact that I can look through and nothing. It's like I don't feel like I'm pushing like a huge freaking boulder around trying to look for clothes. I'm so happy. Like there's room to breathe in here, and I'm just really happy with the way my closet looks right now. Anyway, that is the video of me kind of like decluttering my closet, getting ready for new clothes. And as I buy new clothes, I probably will get rid of a few more things, but for now, this is what it looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did. If you liked this, please check out my other videos. Like I mentioned throughout the whole video, there will be some videos that I mentioned linked down below, but if you could, just go on my channel and watch whatever you like. Subscribe if you're not already. I will love you if you do. And that's about it. And thank you guys so much for watching.